Hello everyone, now that we have gone on our first lab tour mission, we will look through the pictures captured and create a map. I'm going to sit down, look at the pictures captured, and make a map. As you go on your future missions, you will also be creating maps similar to this one. We went from the kitchen into the workshop. So remember from our mission that this is the first picture we took inside the workshop. We have just entered the room, and the first thing we see is this toolbox underneath the shelf. It also looks like we're pretty close to it. I'm going to place the robot here, the toolbox in front, and I'm going to label that. You always want to label objects as you begin to make a map. In the next picture, we have rotated left and moved forward. We can see a desk in front of us, a window, a chair, a trash can, and another object on the floor. So in this next picture, we have once again rotated left. This time, we are facing the left side of the room. There are some cinder blocks, something on top of it, maybe it's a table, and it looks like a shelf. I'm going to draw in each object one at a time. Again, remember, you always want to label everything. In this next picture, we have moved forward. We're closer, we can see the objects more clearly, and I'm not really sure what that white object is. So I'm just going to sketch a circle and write a comment on my map. Remember that the robot was scanning the room, so it's basically taking a picture and rotating several times. So each of the following pictures will show us what the entire room looks like in chunks at a time. So in this next picture we see a chair, the other part of the shelf, and two other cinder blocks. In this next picture we see another two chairs. In the following picture, we can see the entrance to the workshop, the door, and the toolbox from our first picture. In the following picture, we see the other half of the toolbox, other objects on that shelf, as well as a bucket next to the toolbox. So in the next picture, we can see the table, the chair, the trash can, and the Roomba, same as the previous picture that we had at the beginning. And in this final picture, we can see the other half of the chair. We also see a door, so it looks like the workshop has two separate doors or entrances. So this is more or less how we create a map